guys, today I'm going to be showing off how the genders sneeze, okay? So, this is how girls sneeze. Apachoo! 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 Before you go thinking that this is sexist, it's not. Wait till you see the boys' version. Dubstep remix.
No more! No more! No more!